Hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, we're going to be working on a limit problem. And in this limit problem, we're going to be required to use Squeeze theorem to evaluate the limit. Okay, let's get right into it. So we're having this function, and we're required to find the limit of it. So for using Squeeze theorem, we're going to have to use a known inequality in order for us to determine and be able to evaluate the limit. So let's use the inequality that says sine x over x is less than 1 and is greater or equals to cos x, and this is for pi x between pi and 0, right? And let's let x to be equals to 1 over the square root of n. And if we solve this, then n is going to be 1 over x squared. So we're having n is equals to 1 over x squared, and x is equals to 1 over n, the square root of n, right? Right. Okay, so from the inequality, let's square both sides. So we're going to have cos squared x is less than or equals to 1 over x squared sine squared x less than or equals to 1. The square root of 1 is just 1. So from here you can see that this is equals to n. This is equals to n. So we can go back and substitute. Cos squared x is 1 over n, square root of n, less than or equals to 1 over x squared is n sine squared 1 over n, square root of n is less than 1, right? As you can see here, we're having this function from that inequality. So now we can use the Squeeze theorem to evaluate the limit. So what are we going to do? We're going to find the limit of the lower bound and also the limit of the upper bound. And the Squeeze theorem says if the limit of the lower bound and the limit of the upper bound are equal, then it means the limit it is also equals to the limit in the middle, or the function in the middle, the limit of the function in the middle. So let's say the lim as x approaches infinity, not x actually, n approaches infinity, of cos squared 1 over n. This is equals to what? Cos 1 divided by a very large number tends to 0, right? Then this the cosine of 0 is the cosine of square root of 0 is 1. Okay, so now let's do the limit as n approaches infinity of the upper bound, which is 1, and this is also equals to 1. Then by Squeeze theorem, the limit as n approaches infinity of n sine squared 1 over square root of n is also equals to 1. So we managed to solve this problem. See you in the next video.